this video I'll show you how to create Slido polls in Slido.com. First of all, what you need to do is to tap on create Slido, and from here you need to choose a start date and end date right here, and after that insert Slido name right here really quick and tap on create Slido, and after that tap on this little three dots and tap on open. And from here what you need to do is you need to choose a new interaction right here, and for me I will choose multiple choice. From here, as you see, tap on it, and from here I will ask my question from here, for example anything from here. And after that what you need to do is you need to choose option one, for example 1 2 3, and after that from here tap on start interaction. Before you click on start interaction, we have pool settings right here, click on it, and from here you can enable this and you can select how many participants can they choose, 2 or 3 or 2 or 3, that's it. And after that you can disable it. I'll disable it, and we have mark correct answer and select and show the correct answer to the participants. From here you can enable it right here. You can show the poll results to your participants, or you can hide it from here, and you can add image from here, tap on it, and you can add image from pixels.com, which is a free image, no copyright, or from here, or you can upload your image. And in order to upload it you need to upgrade your plan in Slido.com. Click back, and after that from here tap on share icon, and from here you can copy the link of the poll you created and you can share it with anyone. And after that from here tap on this option collaborate, and you can add co-host right here. You can invite a person who can help manage this Slido right here. And after that from here we have analytics, click on it, and from here you can see the analytics and overview of your Slido pool you created right here, and you can share the analytics and export. And from here we have settings on the third option, and you can change the name of this pool you created, and you can change a lot of things. You can change the code right here, Slido code, and can copy the joining link as well. Tap on show additional settings, and you can change the location, the language, and the time zone. Tap on collaboration on the second option, and you can add co-hosts as well. And privacy we have, you can see if you want to enable it or disable it. Tap on features as well. You can change from here few things if you would like, and customization, and you from here branding, you can upload your logo, but you need to upgrade your plan. And present mode as well, if you want to change the theme. From here you can change any theme from here you can choose, as you see. Scroll down, and from here we have participant mode, and from here you can show welcome screen to your attenders right here, or you can enable external links. You can read it carefully and see if you need it. And from here we have integrations. You can integrate with Zoom or any other platform. And from here other options as well. We have my plan. If you want to upgrade your plan and subscribe, you can do it from here, and tap on save from here. And after that click on interactions right here, and tap on start interaction on the last option. And after that what you need to do is you need to view as a participant from here, and from here this is how will show up to your customer, to your participants, and they can choose anything they want right here like this. And that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.